Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of Christian Dior book tote bag in size medium. Let's go ahead and look at the receipt. So this bag, I bought it for my wife in San Jose. Let me see. So let me do a little close up. So this one is bought from Santa Clara Valley Fair, Stephen Creek's Boulevard. There's a Dior boutique in San Jose. And then let's see, do a close up for the bag. It says woman bag Dior book tote M Fab. This is retailing for $3,350 US, and then with tax it comes out close to $3655.69 USD. Let me put this one inside the envelope and let's go ahead and look at the bag. Let me do the close-up of the bag itself, the carry-on bag that it came in. So it says Dior, and there's a metal star here. It says Dior as well. Let's take the box out. Okay, let's put this one on the floor and take this bag out of the way. Okay, so this is how the box look, and the bag is inside the box. Let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, so there you will see a dust bag in there, a white dust bag. It says Dior here. And then let me open these sides. Okay, so let's take the bag out. That's how it looks. Turn it around this way. Okay, so this is a canvas material. If you look closely, it says Christian Dior Paris. And there's a tag here. Let me do a close-up of the tag. It says Dior book tote medium fab, $3,350 US. It says Christian Dior Boutique Paris. How does the bag looks from the inside? Do a close up here. Okay, it says Christian Dior Paris. This one is made in Italy. Oh. So how the bag looks from inside. Obviously you have to open this. This one is pretty new. Haven't been used yet. Okay, that's how the bag looks. Okay, that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Once again, thank you for your time.